Excuse me, I'm looking for a shirt for my husband.
Sure, can I help you?
Yes, I like this blue shirt. Do you have it in size L?
Let me check. Yes, we have size L and XL.
Great. What size do you recommend for someone who is 180 centimeters tall?
Size L should fit well, but XL is more comfortable.
I see. What is the fabric made of?
It is 100% cotton. It's soft and breathable.
That's perfect. I'll take this blue one in size L.
That's a great choice. Please come to the cashier. The total is $200.
Oh, is there any discount?
Yes, today we have a 10% discount.
That's nice. How much is it with the discount?
It's $180.
Perfect. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and your bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, my love. I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? Really? What is it?
Close your eyes first.
Okay. My eyes are closed.
Now open them.
Wow, is this for me?
Yes. I bought this blue shirt for you.
It looks very nice. I like the color.
I know blue is your favorite color.
That's true. Thank you so much.
I hope the size is right.
Let me try it on right now. Okay, I'm putting it on.
Take your time.
How does it look?
Wow, you look amazing.
Really? Does it fit well?
Yes, it fits perfectly. It's not too big and not too small.
The fabric feels very soft.
It's 100% cotton. I asked the salesman.
You chose a very good shirt.
I'm happy you like it.
I will wear it tomorrow to work.
That makes me very happy.
Thank you for this beautiful gift. I love it.
And I love you.
Anna, do you like this place?
It looks beautiful. Why are we here?
Because I wanted to surprise you.
A surprise for me?
Yes, you gave me a wonderful gift today.
You mean the blue shirt?
Yes, and now I want to do something special for you.
This is so sweet. Did you reserve a table?
Yes, I booked a table for two.
I'm so excited.
Come on, let's go inside.
This place is very cozy.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for this surprise.
You deserve it.
What are you going to order?
Maybe steak and salad. What about you?
I think I'll order chicken and vegetables.
Good choice.
I'm really happy tonight.
Me too. I'm happy when you smile.
Thank you for such a wonderful evening.
This is just the beginning, Anna. I have something else for you.
Another surprise? Really?
Yes, this evening is special.
You are making me very curious.
Here, this is for you.
For me? What is it?
Open it and see.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, I hope you like it.
Oh, wow, it's beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's so elegant.
I saw it and thought about you.
It's perfect. Thank you so much.
You deserve something special.
Can you help me put it on?
Of course.
I will never forget this evening.
Me neither. This is just the beginning of many beautiful moments. Close your eyes for a moment.
Okay, I trust you.
Don't move.
What are you doing?
Just wait.
Okay, I'm ready.
Open your eyes now.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It looks perfect on you.
Thank you. I will always remember this night.
Me too. I'm very happy to be with you.
This is the best surprise ever.
I just wanted to see you smile.
You made me very happy tonight.
Every small surprise makes love stronger.
Yes. Sometimes happiness is a simple evening together.
And this is only the beginning of many beautiful moments.